Hi everyone, this is Jim and welcome back to my YouTube channel. At ito na nga, post ng PBB Collab Edition, big announcement. So, mukhang next house guest daw si Miss Barbie Fortesa. So, palagay ko parang katulad lang siya nung kay Heart. No, isang gabi lang siya tapos na, no? Parang ganun lang siguro. I think this is to promote Beauty Empire. At next naman, ito naman ang Instagram story ni Miss Barbie Fortesa. Mukha siyang matcha coffee. At next ay nakita ko sa Twitter. So sabi ni Jenilyn, yes po, maputi po siya at tas super ganda po. Ito ang pic ni, ayun na nga, napaka-pretty si Miss Barbie Fortesa. At next, okay, mukhang may endorsement shoot si David Licauco today. At yan ang pinost ni David. At ito naman galing kay Ken Z. So, pwedeng Glutalipo to or Maggie, ganon. At next ay post sa Instagram ni David Licauco. So, smile lang yung caption niya. At ito namang isa ay hi lang yung caption niya. At yan nga sa Australia, yung sa beach, guys. At ito naman yung kanyang bagong Porsche. At ito yung sa Boy Scout. So, parang may dump pala to. Ito yung sa Hong Kong yata yan, if I'm not mistaken. So, yun din yung post niya sa TikTok. Ito palagay ko Australia yata. Ito Hong Kong. Ay, Hong Kong yata itong mga to. Oo, tama. At ito Hong Kong din. At ito Hong Kong. At ito yung lolo niya namatay, si Sir Jaime. At ito sa Pilipinas na yata to. At yan, kasama niya si Baby Jimin. At ito, ewan ko saan to, lupa niya ba to or Tagaytay. At next ay post ng Universal Records PH, may magic talaga kapag si Barbie at David ang magkasama. Don't forget to listen to I Think I Love You on all major streaming platforms. Grabe, I'm so excited for the music video. Mukhang pagbibigyan tayo ng Universal na Barda, na si Barbie ang gaganap na leading lady dun sa I Think I Love You music video, di ba? At ito nga ay nirepost agad ni David Licauco sa Twitter or ni Ken Z. At nag-tweet nga si Barbie Fortesa ng Baguio sounds so good right now. Oy, wow. So tweet nga nila Bing Mom, what the heck are you echoing each other? Aligned thoughts from years back. Sign na ba ito? Amazing. Kasi nga yan na yan din yung tweet ni David noong August 20, 2016. Baguio sounds so good right now. Yung kay Barbie kasi RN lang. At nag-tweet nga si Shallow Proletariat, dito nagsimula ang lahat pero hindi dito nagtatapos. Miss na namin kayo, Fidel at Clay. Walang magbababu hanggang bumayolet. At nag-tweet nga si Mrs. Seth Doctorero at kinote nga ito ng surprise char. At nag-reply nga si Siana David ko, Ma'am Suzette, baka naman please, sobrang miss na namin ang Barda. Tapos nag-tweet naman si Mrs. Z ng konting patience, darating tayo dyan. Uy, wow, mukhang may balak talaga nagawan ng sequel ang Clay at Fidel. Kay spin-off, ay sana naman next year. Next nga ay behind the scene ng Beauty Empire at nandiyan daw si Barbie at Kailin pero hindi natin makita. At next naman ay post ng Push TV exclusive. David Licauco is in his singer era with the release of his debut single I Think I Love You. Let's watch it.
Hi Pushmates, thank you for having me. It's David Licauco. I think number one, the song is really catchy by its name, right? I Think I Love You is something that is easy to remember, and I think you would want to listen to something like that even if it wasn't me as a singer, diba? Hence the top 5 on iTunes. And yeah, when it was released, at first I was nervous, like I would not know how the people would react to my song, diba? And I also wasn't sure how the song was at that point, right? So yeah, so much uncertainties, but when I got to listen to it, I was really grateful for Universal Records. Well, actually last year pa lang, I was supposed to record a song, but then of course with everything that I had to do last year, I wasn't able to do it. But now we're here. To go back to your question, I did not expect it. Yeah, I mean, but then I'm a person who would always want to try everything, and every opportunity that I get, I always try to maximize it, accept it, right? So, yeah. I mean, I would sing in the mall shows sa mga racket, ganyan. So, hindi naman siya super new to me. But of course, cover lang yung ginawa ko. Syempre, that's different from having like your own song, right? So, yeah, let's see on when I will be performing this new song. But I'm really looking forward to it. Hello, sana ay pakinggan niyo yung I Think I Love You now on all streaming platforms, and kain kayo sa Sobra Cafe and sa Kuyo Korea. And yeah, follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook, and Twitter. X pala.
Ayun na nga, more pictures of Miss Izay Alvarez and Miss Barbie Fortesa at saka yung ate ni Barbie. Nakalimutan ko pangalan, guys, sorry. Up next is multiple TikTok videos of the cast of Beauty Empire. Let's watch this.
I'm Shahriya Sous, CEO, trendsetter, viral queen, most followed beauty influencer this side of your FYP. A nightmare just like a daydream. Lip gloss entrepreneur, contour queen, owner of Fantasia Beauty, and heiress to the algorithm. I don't just set trends, I'm the trend. Want more, babe? Link in my bio. Beauty Empire streaming soon on View.
Hi, my name is Sean Ponashera and I play the role of Criselda. Hello po, ako po si Tini Alcantara at ang role ko po ay si Shari Jesus. Ako naman yung si Barbie Fortesa and I play the role of Norina Alfonso.
Hi, my name is Rufo Gutierrez and I play the role of Velma Imperial.
Sam Concepcion, I play the role of Aaron Diego, and I play the role of Sylvester.
Setting spray! Because she's holding it together.
Grabe. Tawanan ng tawanan. Ang kwela siguro magkasama ito si Kylie at saka si Barbie, no? Sa set, no? Tawanan lang ng tawanan, lokohan ng lokohan.
I think he's a tinted lip balm and liniment oil queen. Diba? Magtitinted lip balm ka. You're like really need a quick fix. So like, face your clients and face your problems. But then if your problems are really big, instead of like swiping it here, you swipe it here. Yeah! No! Winged line. Oh! Yes!
Ano daw sinabi ni Barbie? Di ko gets.
Si Velma naman would be a golden highlighter because she's timeless, classic, and she just glows up in front of everyone when needed.
Yeah.
Migoy, your favorite perfume. Your favorite perfume. Because you always want it.
So ayan na po ang aming Zaddy! Zaddy!
I think Sylvester would be concealer.
Ay!
Kasi nakakaganda siya, pero may tinatago.
Ay! Chic. What do you call that? I'm a fashion girly. I should know this. Nabablang ko na yung joke ko eh.
Luka-luka talaga si Barbie. Naku niya mabag-joke.
Structure. Colorful. Yun. Isa. One point. Blazers. Pwede ba yun? Ano nga ba tawag dito? Bobcat ba ito? Yun, Bobcat. Kaya nga pinagbugot. French bob nga sana, pero gusto ko sa short hair. Ayaw mo bob. Ayun. Yun na lang. Aesthetic niya. 3 words. Okay. Print on print. Thank you.
Ambitious, fierce, and broken.
Police ako dito, so clean, utilitarian.
Wow! Spell!
Functional.
Sylvester naman is the EA of Miss Shari. Kaya he would dress professional, seductive, and sensual. Wow!
Siya ba talaga ang... Ako ba? Siya ba talaga ang... Sino ba? Pumatay. Bakit fill in the blanks ka tayo?
Grabe si Kylin doon, nag-loading talaga. Ay nako, napansin naman ni Barbie, kaya tawang-tawa sila lahat.
Ano ba yun? Ano ba yun? Anong oras na ka? Siya ba talaga ang... Comment down below.
Yung last meal namin after the shoot. Kasi yun talaga yung walang nag-uusap.
Wala.
Nagsamgyup sa lahat.
At salamat po dahil libre po ni Madam Barbie na yun. Libre na yun.
Tingnan nyo, libre para ni Barbie yung samyup nila sa sa Korea, pero ayaw niyang pasabi, di ba? Hindi talaga pabida si Barbie pagdating sa mga pagbibigay ng mga panlilibreng ganyan.
Easy ka sa samgyupsal, experience talaga namin ang samgyupsal sa Korea. Feel ko yun yung, kasi ano yun hindi lang siya yung cast, hindi lang yung staff, pero everyone, even the crew, parang lahat talaga nagsabay-sabay kumain at lahat ay naging masaya sa last shoot namin. So yun pinaka hindi ko makakalimutan.
Ako din.
Yung pinaka-enjoy ko sa Korea is that we were able to work with such a tight schedule in a different country. So it was more challenging, but challenges are fun. Diba? Kaya we felt the challenge, but we also accomplished what needed to be done while having fun along the way.
Ay, may sagot ka.
Sabi ko, ako din po. Sagot tawa naman.
Mukhang medyo lutang na si Kylin. And lastly, the cast promoting Beauty Empire in Batangas. Let's watch this.
So, Beauty Empire, malapit na kung sino ba dito ang mga kaibigan natin. No? Ayun! Ang Beauty Empire ay una na magpapanood sa view. Kaya dig save dyan sa mga may view at na soon sa GMA Prime. Gabi-gabi po yan sa GMA Prime. Kaya ano po, support ang play nyo. Support nyo sa amin na yung gabi. Again, tapos po sa mga nagpapasalamat. Hindi kayo umalis. Ang kanilang na. Yes, maraming salamat po. Yes. Salamat kayo sa ito.
Let's thank all Barbie. Maraming salamat. Let's give it once again for Beauty Empire. Has everybody stand up the song type on the share. Follow the rail. Of course, Kenny and Barbara. And the one and only Barbie Forteza. Before we let them go, syempre, photo op.
And there you have it, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more Bardo updates. See you in my next vlog. Bye!